Main evil for all the crimes, mostly the alcohol. Mainly when they consume the alcohol, they lose the temper and they don't know what they are doing. And in the state, they do so many wrong things. When we see the rape cases, murder cases, mainly these things, when beyond their control, their mind, what they are doing, they don't know. They are doing these things. When drugs are banned, when drugs are prohibited, because they give the stupor, and in these circumstances, alcohol also gives stupor. So alcohol also should be banned, because when alcohol bans, there cannot be any crime, there cannot be any victim. Especially when we see the rape victims, when recent in Bengal also, that culprit is drunken in a drunken stage. They are saying, even in earlier also rape victims also, the rapists were in the drunken stage.